Want to know how to clear the console in Java? Clearing console in Java is messy but possible by detecting the OS. So we just simply detect the OS first on the fourth line, as you can see. On Windows, we just simply run new process builder with command prompt. So on Mac or Linux, we just simply call runtime and we wrap this entry in try catch because it can fail in IDEs like Eclipse or IntelliJ. These consoles often ignore external clear commands as a fallback, print many new lines, or use NC. So you can just simply copy up this code right here. This is default by for Windows, so I'm just going to explain it accordingly. So we use it to clear compatible terminals. Now we can just simply run this code right here in your GUI application and it should work super simple and easy. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.